How do you fix ChatGPT is slow? So the first thing you'll need to do is basically clear the browser data by going to three vertical dots here and then settings and then privacy and security. Now click on delete browsing data. Make sure the cookies and other site data is checked as well as the cached images and files. Now for the period, you want to select all time and click on delete data. Now, after deleting the data, you might be signed out of your ChatGPT account. So make sure to do a hard refresh by holding Control, Shift, and press R, and then sign back into your account. And the next thing you'll need to do is disable extensions temporarily. Click on the three vertical dots here, and then go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and disable all the extensions temporarily. Now you want to go back to the ChatGPT page and refresh it. Also, if you're in a session where the chat session becomes very long, this will drop the performance dramatically. Make sure to start new chat sessions whenever possible to avoid that issue. And once you do these things, it should fix the problem of ChatGPT being slow on your browser. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.